everyone! So you've got your Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10, and it's already doing a great job. But did you know there are 2 hidden settings that can take your floors from mostly clean to spotless? Today, I'm going to show you how to enable secondary cleanup and clean along the edges using the Xiaomi Home app. Let's dive in. First, open up your Xiaomi Home app and select your S10. Once you're on the main control screen, look for the 3 dots in the top right corner. Tap those to open your settings menu. Standard cleaning paths sometimes miss those tiny bits of dust tucked right against your baseboards. To fix this, go into Cleaning Settings. Look for the toggle that says Clean Up Along the Edges and switch it on. Now, before the robot starts its main pattern, it will take a dedicated lap around the perimeter of the room to make sure no dust bunny is left behind. Now, navigate further into the settings. Here, you'll find the toggle for secondary cleanup. Simply switch this on. Once enabled, the S10 won't just vacuum your rooms once, it will perform a complete second pass. This ensures that any debris missed the first time, especially on carpets or textured tiles, gets picked up for sure. Using these 2 together is the secret to a professional-grade clean. The edge clean handles the borders, and the secondary cleanup ensures the center of the room is flawless. Keep in mind that enabling these will double your cleaning time and use a bit more battery, so it's perfect for those deep clean days. And that's it. Your floors are about to be much cleaner with just a few taps. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more Xiaomi tips. Happy cleaning!